It's all selling pressure. The balancing between this candle's body and then open and trading down here, that makes this from this low to that high. That's a balanced price range. What? Yeah, that's balance. That's balanced price delivery. Both directions have been offered. It's from this low that we don't know yet is formed yet, but it's also the same low that makes the consequent encroachment of Wednesday's new day opening gap. See that? So all these things are converging. This run away from that and then close. We open, trade down to that consequent encroachment, and then pass through and leave that high there. That means that this high is a balanced price range down to that low. Because between this candle's low and that candle's high, price has been offered up and down. That's balanced. That's balanced. And the market trades back down, and you see them hitting the up closing price here and digging into this candle's open. Hits it perfectly, rallies. On a 15-second chart, you can use order blocks as your entry, small fair value gaps, volume imbalances. I love them if the direction's still in play. Okay, and we were outlining this level here. So anytime you see a convergence of a new day opening gaps, low, high, or consequent encroachment level, and a down close candle and you're bullish, it leaves it and comes back down in, you can use that as your catalyst to study price. Does it behave and run to your objective? I gave you the objective today. I outlined how the market will behave yesterday. So I pointed out the volume imbalance. I pointed out the fact that we came down and touched the top of the Tuesday's new day opening gap. And then we want to see, does it rally up and go into this fair value gap? And we got that. Okay. 70 plus handles, if not, whatever that is.